Hello there. This particular skill is going to be on writing expressions word problems. So let's get started. Donald has X $20 bills and one $10 bill. How much money does Donald have? Write your answer as an expression. Well, if you think about it, every $20 bill is worth $20 and he has X of them. So just to kind of think about it, if X were 1, that would mean it would be worth $20, and X was 2, it would be worth $40, and X were 3, it's worth $60, right? So whatever X is, we have to multiply by 20 to get the dollars. So we have 20X dollars. Right? If you think about it, 20 times 1 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40, 20 times 3 is 60, and so on. And he has a $10 bill. So to add to whatever that number comes out to be, you have to add 10 more dollars. So the expression is 20x plus 10, or 20 times the number of $20 bills he has plus the one $10 bill. Hannah's school hosted a book donation. There are 150 students at her school, and they donated a total of B books. Hannah donated 3 times as many as the average number of books each student donated. How many books did Hannah donate? Write your answer as an expression. So let's talk about this. The total number of books donated was B, right? And if the total number of books was B, and there are 150 students in her school, that means if you took the total number of books and divided it by 150, that would be what the average student donated, B divided by 150. But Hannah donated 3 times as much as the average student. So I would take this and multiply it by 3, or 3 over 1. So if you multiply across, or simplify before you multiply, 3 times B you could do, and 1 times 150. Or I like to simplify before I multiply. So what number goes into both 3 and 150? Well, 3 goes into itself once, and 3 goes into 150 50 times. So B, 1 times B is B, and 1 times 50 is 50. So the number of books she donated was B divided by 50. Or since she donated 3 times the average, it's B divided by 50 is the number of books she donated. All right. You might have to watch this one a couple times to kind of think of it, because this is a tough one. Like, how do you donate something divided by 50 books? But if you think about it, this B is actually the total number of books. So she donated, you know, that number divided by 50. That's how many books she donated. All right, let's do the last one. I think this is the last one. Yes, it is. The price of the price of a visit to the dentist is $50. If the dentist fills any cavities, an additional charge of $100 per cavity gets added to the bill. If the dentist fills n cavities, what is the cost? What will be the cost of the visit? Write your answer as an expression. Well, just showing up at the dentist is going to cost you $50. Plus, if you get 1 cavity, that would be 100 more. 2 cavities would be 200 more. 3 cavities would be 400 more. That's right, 3 cavities, 300. 4 cavities, 400. So 100 times the number of cavities, right? So if you get 0 cavities filled, 50 plus 100 times 0 is 0. It's just 50. 50 plus, if you get 1 cavity filled, would be 100 times 1 is 100 plus the 50, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out. See you later.